Searching for and locating listings on a map has never been so easy. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to locate listings while using the map. So let's take a look at that. I'm first going to go up to the hamburger menu. I'm going to go to the property search and I'm going to go into residential. So I'm at my results menu. Now I'm just going to let you know that in the near future, you're going to be able to click on an icon right here and it'll take you directly into the map searching. But for now, I've got all my searches in here. I've got 57 and I'm going to go ahead and hit the search button. Once my results display, I'm going to go up here to my views and I'm going to select the map view. So now all 57 of my results will show here on the map. Let's discuss a little bit about what is on the map. So starting here on the left-hand side, you have your boundary lines. So you can turn your boundary on or off, and you could set your boundaries on there. Now my boundaries are going across this whole area in here. And then we have the layers. So if you come in here, you have different layers that you can have. And if your association has additional layers, such as like a street view or parks or something like that, that would show up in here also. But you could go ahead and turn things on, like the floodplain, for example. I'm going to go ahead and turn that on and zoom in so you can see that. And the floodplain would show up. I'm going to go ahead and turn that back off. I'm going to zoom back out. And then you have your different views here, such as right now we're on the road view. You can look at it in satellite. You have all these different ones: hybrid, terrain, retro, night. Night is usually really good if you're on your cell phone and you're outside and it's really sunny out. And then you also have your silver view. So I'm going to go back to the road view. Over here on the right-hand side, you have the search button. So if I click on the search and I want to look for properties that are around an address or a location, I'm going to go ahead and put in Eagle Hills Elementary. And it'll bring up the Eagles Hills Elementary as my center point location. And if I zoom out a little bit, it'll show me any of the properties that are in that area that are around there. I can also go ahead and use the drawing tool. So if I wanted to draw around a certain area and just bring up those listings, I can do that. And then I could bring them up in the different views if I wanted to, the thumbnail or the spreadsheet view. And then I can remove that. Right here, this is location based, so center on the location. I could go ahead and click that to go ahead and center on the location. And I can use the little guy to walk around and look at the street view. So if I'm actually in a property, I could drag and drop that and take a look at the different areas around there. Up on the top, we have the different views. So we have the thumbnail and the spreadsheet view. We have the filter. The filter will allow you to be able to change your search. So right now we had that search with the 57 results. If I wanted to get rid of or add in an area or something else, like maybe I wanted to look at beds. So if I bring up the beds view with using the binoculars, for example. So if I use the binoculars, I could search for something like bedrooms, and I can put in that I want at least 3 bedrooms and a maximum of 5 bedrooms, and I can apply that. And you'll see now I'm down to 55 results. So I'm going to go ahead and apply, and now my 55 results will show up. There's no need to go back to that area. So you can also save this search. So if I really like this search and I want to save it and I want to give it to one of my clients, I can save it here and assign it to a contact, or I could just save it as one of my searches that I have. And then up in the 3 dots up in the corner, you can also look at your saved searches and bring those up. And that's how easy it is to use the map to do searching.